Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my YouTube journey. I think this is episode 3. This week has been pretty long. I have come up with some ideas, probably about half the month for in August I'm going to do a 31-day challenge, which means that I'm going to post 31 videos in 31 days. And I am going to try to post them as regular videos. So they will be just as good as hopefully any of my other videos. I think I've worked out my video recording issue. I've got a Canon Rebel T5i that I had laying around that can do video. The only issue now is just lugging a heavy camera around from everywhere that I'm recording. I have a couple of different stations set up, so I do have to pick it up, move it, set it back up, make sure everything is good. So hopefully everything is in focus. I know I recently did a unboxing video of the Craftsman rotary tool, and unfortunately the autofocus on it, I don't know if the camera was too close to the object, but it was going in and out. So that was an issue, but I think some people got some good use out of that video. It got a few views, but I got a comment, so I was able to display the bit storage, which I think was useful to some people. The next video unboxing I've got set up is a jigsaw. I bought the brushless Craftsman 20-volt jigsaw, so I've got that. Hopefully, I haven't looked at the video yet. Hopefully it didn't autofocus too much, or at all, because I think I turned the autofocus off. I think now I have the hardware figured out. I'm slowly starting to learn the software. You just need to make sure that the hardware is, like I said, I've got to lug a camera from one location to another. Just need to make sure that that is easier to handle, setup and everything. I'm thinking about possibly ordering a knockoff GoPro, like a small little handheld camera that I can carry from job site to job site and then do the recordings. I think that might be a little bit easier. I'm just not sure how the video quality will be. So depending on how much they cost on Amazon, I want to only spend about 40-50 bucks. Got a lot of ideas ready for August. The first 7 to 10 days I'm going to be doing some French cleat systems. So I've got the slats already cut. I'm going to mount those on the yard shed, and then I'm going to make some fixtures that go on top of that. And I'm going to offer the plans for free. I'll take the time, I'll draw them out. That's another hurdle I'm hitting. I used to use a free software. It was called Fusion 360 or Fusion 360 from Autodesk, and I could lay out my 3D models on that and then make some plans. But unfortunately, it used to be available for hobbyists and students, but now it's only available for students. So I've got to see if I want to pay for it, or if there's a way I can still acquire that software. So for now, unfortunately, the free patterns and plans will be hand-drawn. I've got some Rocket books. I don't know if you guys know what Rocket books are. They're pretty awesome. I've bought a few of their smaller little tablets, and I bought some of the bigger tablets too. But basically, you draw on these books with a special pen, and then you can take a snapshot with your phone, and then it can email or save it as a PDF, and then you just take some water on a rag and you wipe it off, and then it's a brand new piece of paper. A little eco-friendly, so I'll see if I can draw some of the plans up on that. The first video I did was for tomorrow. I think the 31-31 challenge, which I'm labeling it as, I'll post those videos probably around noon or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Give me a little time to make sure all the editing is good to go. And tomorrow, luckily, I don't have to work, so tomorrow being Monday the 1st. So I don't have to work on the 1st. I'm going to take that time to really put my nose to the grindstone and get a good week's worth of material hopefully recorded, edited, and posted and scheduled tomorrow, the 1st, and then I'll be able to breathe at least for that week. But yeah, that's what I've got going on this week. Not much really has changed. Like I said, I've got, I think, the hardware down pat. I've got my little makeshift recording studio in my building. Obviously you can see there's no sheetrock or anything. I'm still waiting on power. Once I get the power set up, then I can sheetrock, insulate, then sheetrock, and then have air conditioning, so it won't be a sweaty mess. Okay, the stats for this week are, according to my data, last 28 days, I have 413 views, 6.5 watch hours, up 2 subscribers, so I've gained 2 subscribers this month, and that's about it. So I am at 176 subscribers, the same as last week. No new subscribers, but I really think that with posting a video a day for the next 31 days, with offering free patterns and plans, hopefully I'll gain some more subscribers. I think that's going to be the hardest part, is not the watch hours, because if I post as many videos as I'm planning, even if a small percentage watches the videos, I should hit those watch hours. The problem is going to be the subscriber base. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, get your notification of any time I post new videos. And until I talk to you next time, good luck on your projects, and I'll talk to you soon.